Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Smartsheet. This is a powerful feature that lets you connect cells to external websites or link them directly to other sheets within your workspace, making navigation and organization much more efficient. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to go to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and you're on your homepage, take a moment to locate the existing file or sheet where you want to add your hyperlink. Simply click on that sheet to open it up. This will be the workspace where you'll be creating your hyperlinks, so make sure you've selected the right one. Once the sheet loads, you'll need to select the specific cell that you want to hyperlink, click on the cell to highlight it, then right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Hyperlink. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the Hyperlink dialog box, which gives you two main options for linking: link to URL or link to other Smartsheet. These two options give you flexibility depending on whether you want to connect to an external website or keep everything within your Smartsheet environment. Let's start with the first option, link to URL. This is perfect when you want to connect a cell to an external website or resource. Simply paste the URL link into the field provided. You'll also notice that you can edit the display text, which is what will appear in the cell instead of the full URL. This keeps your sheet looking clean and professional. Once you've entered the URL and customized the display text to your liking, click OK. The hyperlink is now active in that cell, and anyone clicking on it will be taken directly to the website you specified. Next, let's explore the second option, linking to another Smartsheet. Select another cell where you want to create this type of link, right-click on the cell, and click Hyperlink just like before. This time, instead of link to URL, select the option that says Link to Other Smartsheet. Now click on Select Sheet. A window will appear showing all the sheets available in your Smartsheet workspace. Browse through and select the sheet you want to link the cell to. Once you've made your selection, click OK. Just like with the URL option, you can also edit the display text here to make it more descriptive or user-friendly. Once you're satisfied, click OK again to finalize the hyperlink, and that's it. You've successfully added hyperlinks in Smartsheet both to external URLs and to other sheets within your workspace. This feature streamlines navigation and keeps your data interconnected and easy to access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.